Today we are going to discuss a very exciting and critical topic in marketing strategy: profitable segmentation. Before we start, let me ask you a question. Have you ever walked into a store and felt like the products on display were made just for you? Or received a marketing email that seemed to understand your needs perfectly? If yes, then you have experienced the power of profitable segmentation. In simple terms, profitable segmentation is the process of dividing the market into smaller, more manageable groups based on factors such as demographic, geographic, psychographic, or behavioral criteria, with the goal of maximizing profitability. By segmenting the market, businesses can better understand the needs and wants of different customer groups and tailor their products, services, and marketing efforts to meet those needs. The segmentation process involves several steps, including market research and analysis, identification of segmentation criteria, segmentation of the market into groups, and evaluation and selection of target segments. Businesses need to evaluate the attractiveness and accessibility of each segment based on factors such as size, growth potential, profitability, competition, and compatibility with the business's resources and capabilities. Once the target segments have been identified, businesses need to develop marketing strategies that are tailored to meet their customer needs. This may involve developing different product offerings, pricing strategies, promotional campaigns, and distribution channels for each segment. Businesses may also need to develop customer service and support programs that are customized to the needs of each segment. To ensure that the segmentation strategy is effective, businesses need to regularly monitor and evaluate the performance of each segment. This may involve analyzing sales data, customer feedback, and other metrics to determine whether the segmentation strategy is generating the expected results. Let's have a look together at the following example on how Tesla could use profitable segmentation. As you may know, Tesla is a leading electric vehicle manufacturer that has disrupted the automotive industry with its innovative products and marketing strategies. One way Tesla could use profitable segmentation is by dividing the market for electric vehicles into smaller, more manageable groups based on certain criteria. For instance, Tesla could use demographic segmentation to identify segments of the market based on factors such as age, gender, income, and education level. This would allow Tesla to tailor its products and marketing efforts to meet the specific needs of each segment. For example, Tesla could develop marketing campaigns that target older customers who are concerned about the environment and want to reduce their carbon footprint, while also offering financing options that appeal to younger budget-conscious customers. Tesla could also use geographic segmentation to target specific regions or cities where there is a high demand for electric vehicles. This could involve developing partnerships with local governments and utilities to promote the adoption of electric vehicles in those regions, as well as offering incentives and discounts to customers who purchase Tesla vehicles in those areas. Tesla could use psychographic segmentation to identify customers who share similar values and attitudes towards sustainability and environmentalism. This would allow Tesla to develop marketing campaigns that resonate with these customers, highlighting the eco-friendly benefits of electric vehicles and positioning Tesla as a brand that is committed to sustainability. From a behavioral point of view, Tesla could target customers based on their buying behavior and usage patterns. This would allow Tesla to identify customers who are likely to purchase multiple electric vehicles or who are interested in Tesla's self-driving technology and tailor its marketing efforts and product offerings accordingly. By using profitable segmentation, Tesla could better understand and serve the needs of different customer groups and maximize profitability in the competitive electric vehicles market. This would enable Tesla to continue to disrupt the automotive industry and maintain its position as a leading innovator in the field of sustainable transportation. It is important to note that profitable segmentation is not without its challenges. Businesses need to carefully identify the right segmentation criteria and avoid over-segmenting the market, as this can lead to inefficiencies and increased costs. Businesses need to be mindful of ethical considerations and avoid discriminating against certain customer groups based on factors such as race, gender, or religion. So, to sum up, Profitable segmentation is a critical aspect of marketing strategy that enables businesses to better understand and serve the needs of different customer groups and to maximize profitability. By segmenting the market into smaller, more manageable groups based on certain criteria, businesses can develop more effective marketing strategies that resonate with customers and drive sales. That is all for today, and as always, if you have any questions, let us know.